This International Women's Day, let's celebrate these women of India who dedicated their life for us, for our development, worked for poor and society, raised their voice for justice. They worked for our pride, brought glory to our country. Today, let's celebrate them with their contributions. Kalpana Chawla, an Indian-born woman who later took citizenship of USA in 1990s. She was the first Indian woman to go to space but unfortunately died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster on 2003 in the STS-107 mission. Bachendri Pal, she is the first woman of India who successfully climbed the Mount Everest in 1984. She is even listed in the Guinness Book of World Records in 1990. Seema Kushwaha, born in UP, studied in Kanpur University. She joined the protest against one of the most brutal rape cases of India, the Nirbhaya murder case, and officially became the advocate of the case in 2014, demanded justice for her for 7 long years, and finally achieved her goal doing justice to Nirbhaya. Hima Das, a sprinter from Assam, became the first Indian girl to win gold medal at the International Association of Athletics Federation World Under-20 Championship. Arundhati Bhattacharya, she is the first woman to become the chairperson of the SBI and ranked 4th on Fortune's list of the most powerful women in Asia Pacific region in 2014. Anandibai Joshi, a woman from Pune who became the first Hindu woman to obtain a medical degree in the Western Hemisphere and First Lady to complete education in the USA. Dakshayani Velayohan, she was a politician from the oppressed class and the first Dalit woman graduate in science and only Dalit woman in India's Constituent Assembly. Tessie Thomas, a top scientist in DRDO, also known as Missile Woman of India. She worked for the development of ballistic missile technology, making a great contribution to the Agni series of missile of India. Bhanwari Devi, a social worker from Rajasthan, gang raped by upper caste man in 1992 for fighting against child marriage of a 1-year-old girl in Rajasthan. The lady for whom a PIL was filed, a case was fought, which finally led to the formation of Visakha Guidelines and gave us the POS Act in 2013.